It's lunchtime at the Nom Hua Tea Parlour. Not a bad turnout of customers seeking dim sum today, but owner Wilson Tang says since the coronavirus outbreak, some days his business has been crushed.
Our wait staff almost were like, what do we do right now? Because we're typically there, they've got something going on, but like there was just so less people in the dining room that we were all just kind of like twiddling our thumbs and like waiting to see what's happening.
It's not been a good start to the new year in Manhattan's Chinatown. A huge fire destroyed the archives of the Museum of Chinese in America, and now fear of the new coronavirus means the streets are quieter than usual.
Short and quick and dramatic. It was immediate and dramatic.
That's Wellington Chen, who runs the Chinatown Partnership that aims to bring businesses and community groups together, describing the effect of the virus on businesses in Chinatown.
Tourism is projected to drop at least 28% at the minimum, just for the Chinese alone. And the cruise ships that are not being allowed to come, the airlines that are not going, they're not bringing customers here, the hotel cancellations, the penalty for canceling the charter buses.
Amazingly, one of the ways Chinatown businesses can tell that visitor numbers are down is by the amount of trash there is to collect. Local businesses in Chinatown often have to cart away their own rubbish, and both Wellington and Wilson told me that since Corona, there's been less of it to pick up. A densely packed major international city like New York, with 3 big airports, the United Nations, Wall Street, and the Broadway Theatre District, make containing coronavirus a challenge. Dr. Dennis Nash is an epidemiologist at CUNY, the City University of New York. He says the healthcare system in New York is second to none, but the worry is when things get out of hand.
The public health systems can become overwhelmed with the volume of cases, with symptoms that need care, the testing that needs to happen, and the care that needs to happen subsequently, and then the public health work that involves, tracing contacts, identifying people that need to be quarantined or isolated. And the potential for outbreaks like this to overwhelm the healthcare system and the public health system is a very real one to be concerned about.
Back at the restaurant, Wilson has a message for people for whom Chinatown is a popular place to hang out, but who are staying away.
A lot of it is myths, and we need to get past that and really bond together and dine out as if you would normally dine out, or go out and shop as if you would normally do. There's nothing different, and it's business as usual.
John Terrett, CGTN, New York.